Incorporating vegetables in every meal is one of the most effective ways to reduce calorie intake while maintaining fullness. Vegetables are low in calories but high in volume and fiber, which tricks your brain into feeling satisfied. For example, adding zucchini noodles instead of regular pasta or cauliflower rice instead of white rice significantly reduces calories without making you feel deprived. Combining colorful vegetables with protein and healthy fats creates meals that are not only visually appealing, but also nutritionally balanced. One overlooked but powerful strategy for weight loss is spice and flavor enhancement. Spices such as cayenne, pepper, turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger can slightly boost metabolism, while also making meals more satisfying. Adding herbs like basil, parsley, or cilantro can make vegetables taste vibrant without adding extra calories. Flavorful foods reduce the temptation to overeat because you enjoy every bite, which is far more effective than eating bland, repetitive meals. Let's explore another set of easy, filling, and fat-burning recipes that are perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. These recipes follow the principles of high-protein, fiber-rich, nutrient-dense, and flavorful ingredients. Recipe 5: Avocado and Egg Toast. Ingredients: 1 slice of whole grain bread, 1/2 avocado mashed, 1 boiled egg sliced, salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Instructions: toast the bread. Spread mashed avocado evenly, top with sliced egg, and season with salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Avocado provides healthy fats, the egg gives high-quality protein, and the whole grain bread adds fiber. This combination keeps hunger at bay until lunch and provides a slow, steady energy release. Recipe 6: Lentil and Veggie Soup. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked lentils, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 carrot diced, 1 celery stalk diced, 1/2 onion, garlic, salt, pepper, and parsley. Instructions: saute onion and garlic in a pot, add carrots and celery, then add lentils and broth. Simmer for 20 minutes, season and garnish with parsley. This soup is high in fiber and protein, extremely filling, and can be made in large batches for the week. Soups are excellent for weight loss because they hydrate and occupy stomach volume, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Recipe 7: Chicken and Veggie Stir-Fry. Ingredients: 150 grams chicken breast, 1 cup broccoli, 1/2 bell pepper, 1/2 cup snap peas, 1 tsp sesame oil, 1 tbsp low-sodium soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Instructions: heat sesame oil in a pan. Saute garlic and ginger, add chicken and cook thoroughly. Add vegetables and soy sauce, stir-fry until tender. This meal is high in protein, low in calories, and perfect for dinner. Stir-fries are versatile and allow endless ingredient combinations to prevent diet boredom. Recipe 8: Protein-Packed Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 scoop protein powder, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup spinach, 1 tsp chia seeds. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. This smoothie is ideal as a post-workout snack or quick breakfast. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy carbs fuels energy, repairs muscles, and suppresses appetite effectively. A critical but often neglected aspect of weight loss is sleep quality. Poor sleep disrupts hormones such as ghrelin and leptin, which regulate hunger and satiety. When sleep deprived, people tend to eat more and crave high-calorie, sugary foods. Ensuring 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night helps maintain hormonal balance, reduces cravings, and enhances overall fat loss. Pairing proper sleep with the strategies outlined above dramatically improves results. Another key strategy is tracking progress without obsessing over the scale. While weighing yourself can provide insights, focusing solely on weight ignores improvements in body composition, energy levels, and mood. Instead, track how clothes fit, how your strength improves during workouts, or take progress photos weekly. Celebrating these small milestones keeps motivation high and ensures long-term adherence. Meal planning and batch cooking are additional tools that make healthy eating effortless. By dedicating a few hours each week to preparing meals, you remove the daily stress of deciding what to eat. For instance, roasting multiple vegetables, cooking grains, and grilling lean proteins allows you to assemble balanced meals in minutes. Combining prepared ingredients in different ways keeps meals fresh and exciting while maintaining calorie control. Recipe 9: Turkey and Sweet Potato Bowl. Ingredients: 150 grams lean ground turkey, 1 medium sweet potato roasted, 1/2 cup spinach, 1 tsp olive oil, paprika, salt, and pepper. Instructions: roast sweet potato cubes in olive oil and paprika, cook ground turkey with salt and pepper, assemble bowl with turkey, sweet potato, and fresh spinach. Sweet potatoes provide slow-digesting carbs, turkey provides lean protein, and spinach adds fiber and micronutrients. This meal is perfect for lunch or dinner and keeps energy levels stable throughout the day. Recipe 10: Cottage cheese and veggie snack. Ingredients: 1/2 cup cottage cheese, cucumber slices, cherry tomatoes, salt, and pepper. Instructions: mix cottage cheese with chopped vegetables, season to taste. Cottage cheese is high in casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps you full between meals. Pairing it with crunchy vegetables satisfies both protein and texture cravings while keeping calories low. It is also vital to emphasize the importance of consistency over perfection. Occasional indulgences or small deviations from a meal plan do not sabotage progress. In fact, strict deprivation often leads to binge episodes. Allowing yourself flexibility within a structured plan supports long-term weight loss, reduces stress around food, and improves adherence. Hydration, in addition to water, can include herbal teas or infused water with lemon, mint, or berries. Green tea, in particular, contains catechins that support fat metabolism and antioxidant activity. Drinking water and non-caloric beverages between meals reduces hunger and prevents unnecessary snacking. For those struggling with sugar cravings, swapping high-sugar foods for naturally sweet options like fruits, cinnamon-spiced oatmeal, or dark chocolate 85% cocoa or higher can satisfy the palate without spiking blood sugar. Pairing these with protein or fiber further slows absorption and reduces hunger later. Physical activity doesn't need to be extreme to be effective. Daily movements such as walking, stretching, or bodyweight exercises contribute significantly to calorie expenditure. Resistance training preserves lean muscle during weight loss, and muscle mass itself increases basal metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories at rest. Even short, consistent workouts can produce noticeable results over time. Stress management is another cornerstone of sustainable fat loss. High stress triggers cortisol production, which can promote fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Techniques such as meditation, yoga, breathing exercises, or simply spending time in nature can regulate stress levels, reduce emotional eating, and improve sleep quality. Losing weight doesn't have to mean sacrificing taste, enduring constant hunger, or restricting yourself to bland meals. In fact, the key to sustainable weight loss is learning to eat foods that nourish your body, keep you satisfied, and accelerate fat loss naturally. Understanding the principles behind satiety, nutrient density, and metabolism-friendly foods is the first step to creating a weight loss plan that doesn't feel like a punishment. Many people fail at diets because they focus solely on calories and ignore the essential factor of fullness. When you feel satisfied, your willpower doesn't have to fight every craving, and the result is long-term fat loss without the mental strain of dieting. One of the most important strategies in weight loss is to prioritize high-protein foods. Protein not only helps repair muscles and maintain lean mass during weight loss, but it also has a higher thermic effect, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it. Foods like lean meats, eggs, Greek yogurt, legumes, and tofu can fill you up quickly. Combine them with high-fiber vegetables and healthy fats like olive oil, avocado, or nuts, and you have meals that satisfy both hunger and taste. Another critical element is fiber. Fiber slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes are excellent sources of fiber. For example, swapping white rice for quinoa or brown rice can make a meal far more filling while still being low in calories. Fiber-rich meals are particularly effective for midday hunger, preventing the common 3 p.m. energy crash that leads to snacking on unhealthy foods. Water is often underestimated in weight loss. Drinking water before meals can reduce appetite and prevent overeating. Sometimes, what feels like hunger is actually dehydration. Incorporating hydrating foods such as cucumbers, tomatoes, and melons also helps maintain fullness without adding many calories. Now, let's dive into some practical, delicious, and easy-to-make recipes that exemplify this approach. These recipes are designed to fill you up, taste amazing, and accelerate fat loss. Recipe 1. High-protein veggie omelet ingredients. 3 egg whites plus 1 whole egg, 1/2 cup chopped spinach, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup mushrooms, 1 tsp olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Heat olive oil in a non-stick pan. Saute spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms until softened. Whisk eggs and pour over vegetables. Cook until eggs are set, fold, and serve. This omelet is rich in protein, low in calories, and packed with fiber to keep you full for hours. Pair with a cup of green tea for metabolism support. Recipe 2. Quinoa and chickpea salad. Ingredients. 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup chickpeas, 1/2 cucumber diced, 1/4 red onion, 1 tsp olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, fresh parsley, salt, and pepper. Instructions. Mix all ingredients in a large bowl. Chill for 10 minutes before serving. This salad is nutrient-dense, high in protein, and full of fiber. The combination of protein from chickpeas and complex carbs from quinoa provides long-lasting energy, making it ideal for lunch or dinner. Recipe 3. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Ingredients. 1 salmon fillet, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1/2 cup carrot slices, 1 tsp olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and lemon slices. Instructions. Preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place salmon on a baking sheet, season with spices, and arrange vegetables around it. drizzle with olive oil. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until salmon is cooked through. This meal is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and fiber. It promotes fat burning while keeping hunger at bay. Recipe 4. Greek yogurt and berry parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup mixed berries, 1 TBSP chia seeds, 1 TSP honey optional. Instructions: layer Greek yogurt with berries and chia seeds in a glass. Drizzle with honey if desired. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, while berries provide antioxidants and fiber. This parfait is perfect as a snack or dessert that doesn't sabotage your diet. Beyond recipes, adopting mindful eating habits is crucial. Eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and savoring each bite can significantly reduce calorie intake. When you pay attention to your hunger cues, you naturally avoid overeating and make meals more satisfying. Another effective strategy is meal prepping. Preparing balanced meals in advance ensures that you always have healthy options ready, reducing the temptation to grab high-calorie convenience foods. It's also important to manage emotional eating. Stress, boredom, and fatigue often trigger cravings. Replacing habitual snacks with healthier alternatives, drinking herbal tea, or engaging in short walks can curb unnecessary caloric intake. Keeping a food diary can also be incredibly effective for awareness. By writing down everything you eat, you notice patterns, learn when you are truly hungry, and identify foods that may hinder your weight loss progress. In addition, incorporating low-calorie snacks into your routine helps maintain fullness between meals. Examples include raw almonds, carrot sticks with hummus, boiled eggs, or air-popped popcorn. These snacks are nutrient-dense, satisfying, and won't derail your calorie goals. Pair them with water or unsweetened tea to amplify satiety. Combining nutrition with physical activity multiplies results. While diet accounts for the majority of fat loss, exercise supports muscle preservation, boosts metabolism, and improves overall health. Resistance training, cardio, and even simple daily movements like walking or taking stairs increase energy expenditure. Even short high-intensity interval training sessions can dramatically enhance fat burning. Supplements can be helpful but are not necessary for weight loss. If desired, focus on vitamin D, omega-3s, or a high-quality protein powder to complement your diet. Avoid relying on appetite suppressants or extreme fat burners, as they often have side effects and are not sustainable. Finally, remember that weight loss is a journey, not a race. Progress may be slow at first, but consistency in nutrition, mindful eating, and physical activity yields lasting results. Celebrate small victories, enjoy meals, and focus on overall health instead of only the scale. Feeling satisfied and nourished while losing weight is entirely possible with the right approach. By following the strategies outlined above, prioritizing protein and fiber, staying hydrated, planning meals, practicing mindful eating, and incorporating exercise, you can achieve fat loss without constant hunger or deprivation. The included recipes are just examples of countless combinations that satisfy hunger, taste great, and support your weight loss goals. Experiment with different ingredients, flavors, and textures to keep meals exciting while staying on track. Ultimately, the goal is to build a sustainable lifestyle, not a temporary diet. When you learn to enjoy wholesome, filling foods and listen to your body's needs, you lose weight naturally and maintain results for the long term. Your body doesn't crave starvation, it craves nutrition, satisfaction, and energy. By embracing these principles, you can finally achieve weight loss without feeling deprived, frustrated, or hungry. Recipe 11. Veggie-packed frittata. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1/2 cup chopped zucchini, 1/2 cup bell pepper, 1/4 cup diced onion, 1 TSP olive oil, salt, pepper. Instructions: preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Saute vegetables in olive oil, pour whisked eggs over vegetables, bake for 15 to 20 minutes until set. This frittata is high in protein, fiber, and micronutrients. It can be portioned for multiple meals, making it ideal for meal prep and weight loss. Recipe 12. Spicy roasted chickpeas. Ingredients: 1 cup chickpeas, 1 TSP olive oil, paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, salt. Instructions: toss chickpeas with oil and spices. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until crispy. Chickpeas are rich in protein and fiber, creating a crunchy, satisfying snack that curbs hunger between meals. This is a perfect replacement for chips or other calorie-dense snacks. Integrating these recipes into a weekly plan ensures diversity, satiety, and sustained fat loss. The combination of high-protein meals, fiber-rich foods, hydrating ingredients, and mindful eating creates an environment where your body burns fat efficiently while never feeling deprived.